Yeah.
Or who the fuck are you playing against?
We took it.
Where does that pop daddy do?
Oh my god.
We took the last stat round.
Fucking wallbang.
Be ready for the next.
That's weird.
Switching sides.
Oh my god, you already got A, dude.
They've planted
That's
at
fucking
Alpha.
crazy.
We took the last stat round. Be ready for the next.
That's nuts.
Oh,
We took the last stat
damn.
round. Be ready for the next.
Nuts.
Yeah, you get that. You get the fucking tryhards. That block onto you, fucking.
Switching
Instantly.
sides. Bomb planted. Set perimeter.
There's one in mid. He's right around the corner, right around the corner, right around the corner.
What? There ain't no fucking way, dude.
There's one in mid. He's right around the corner.
What? There ain't no fucking way, dude. I'm reporting him. I don't know, man. Fucking look at.
Our bomb was
He had
defused.
no deaths, dude.
You can't. You look at my. You can't
Mission
even fucking look at my
compromised.
stream.
We're done.
Planting bomb at Bravo. Device is set. UAV ready for tasking. Left. UAV ready to deploy. Copy that. UAV is on station.
They're so slow. Is I'm reporting them. Like, why are you reporting them?
We are planting at Bravo.
Sorry about that. My aimbot was being weird.
The enemy planted at Alpha. Fast hands online.
The fuck did I just watch, bruh? What kind of fucking witchcraft movement is that? And he needs to go home and wipe his ass or some shit, bruh. I have never seen that shit before.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You suck dick, bro. Don't fucking try to do it. You're not him.
You've secured the device.
I'm gonna my mom shot.
Enemy standing by.
Oh my god, bro. You make me sick.
Copy that. UAV is on station.
Please go run this fast outside in real life, bro.
Mouth here.
If you don't kill him, you have to do 10 push-ups. Oh, you really don't want to do them push-ups.
Win again.
I don't know. Please now.
Wait, what did you do on my account? I don't know.
I did some.
Oh, I'm worse. I'm worse.
Lock him in. Right now I'm about to log in.
You did. You fucked it. Wait, I don't have a girlfriend.
Now do it.
Nahv's a fucking sweat.
Alpha.
I saw something. You're not even alive.
Forgot how to. I don't even think I'm gonna play Warzone because I don't have any of the guns upgraded.
I gotta run away from that nigga.
And you can't be in this spawn.
Huh?
There's one already in our spawn.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna go to sleep in 30 minutes. I'm gonna sleep in 30 minutes.
So, you just put the things to dry and I'll go get the clothes.
Oh, Joey, right there!
Going around.
Oh no!
Watch your back, bro.
My brother's name, bro. What's up, man?
Look at this fucking loser, bro.
Fuck you, nahv.
I don't know.
I got 15 more minutes, so.
Bro, like I just got stabbed in my back.
You dead bitch.
How can you just keep playing?
Suck my